In 1992, on the occasion of the Winter Olympics, France issued a series of commemorative coins with face values. Several sets present a different mix of silver and gold coins in fine quality proof under capsule. The present set includes 9 silver 100 franc coins and 1 gold 500 franc coin. Each silver coin is composed of a metal at 900 per mil title, weighing 22.2 grams and having a diameter of 37 millimeters. Each model is minted in 300,000 copies. 3 engravers are working on this series: Guy Brun, Georges Yoljoglan, and J. Jimenez. In the order of publication: in 1989, the pieces that distinguish figure skating and downhill skiing. In 1990, the plays on bobsleigh, speed skating, acrobatic skiing, and modern slalom. In 1991, the parts corresponding to ice hockey, ski jumping, and cross-country skiing. In 1991, a gold coin of 500 francs is issued with the image of Pierre de Coubertin. This gold coin, engraved by Ponce Bucquoy, is 925 per thousand of title, weighs 17 grams, and has a diameter of 31 millimeters. It is minted in 125,000 copies. In terms of numismatic investment, these coins are of interest for the production of currencies for the Fifth Republic. All these franc coins are demonetized at the time of the changeover to euro currency. At the time of publishing this video, the metal value of each coin is 25.37 euros for silver coins, and 1,623.45 euros for the gold coin. Be a current set valued at 1,851.78 euros. To this may apply a premium if you have the certificates of origin for each part, and depending on the condition of the parts, if you have not handled them outside the capsules. In terms of investment for modern coins and metals, it is preferable to favor coins with a high title, whether for silver or gold. A too low title may imply an excessive premium in purchase price compared to the metal price. Thank you for visiting History Channel 26. If you like this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and comment for other videos. For beginner collectors, more information in the description below the video.